In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the best fit a curve command to create a curve from a series of points in your drawing. So if you go here to Kogo, best fit a curve, and now you can either use the drop down menu here or you can use the command line. In this case, I'm going to use the drop down menu. I'm going to select add points, and now it's prompting me for CAD or points. CAD lets me manually select the points, while points lets me enter the points manually, such as a point range. In this case, I'm going to do a point range because all my points I'm using goes from 100 to 108. So I'm going to select points and type in 100 dot dot 108. Enter. And now that I'm done, press escape to finish. Now all my points have been added to that curve. But the curve doesn't seem quite right yet. You can see how it's not matching up with the line there. And 104 seems to be throwing it off a little bit. So if you want, you can open the grid view. And this menu will show you the offsets of the points. Notice how this point here, which is point 104, is offset by 2.7 meters, which is much more than everything else. So that one, I want to remove it. Also, notice the weighting, everything is set to 1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the weighting on point 108 to be much higher so that it forces the curve to line up with that point, since I know 108 is the end point of that line. So close that. And now I'm going to remove points. This time I'm just going to do CAD. I'm going to select 104. 119 set. Right click or enter. And now it's been removed from calculating that curve. The other thing I was going to do is change the weighting on 108. So I'm going to select weight, enter the point number, so that was 108, enter, enter new weight. Everything is set to 1, but I really want to force it to end that line there, so I'll just put something much higher. I'll do, let's say, a weight of 100. Press enter, and now you can see how the curve goes here, and it matches in near perfect with 108. So now that I'm satisfied, I'm going to select draw. What that's going to do, it's going to draw this line on the current layer. I already have a layer selected called best fit, so I'm going to select draw, and then exit out. So now it applies it to that best fit layer. Here I can zoom in here and see how it matches near perfectly with 108, which I'm satisfied with. So now that I'm satisfied with this layer here, I want to have it match the rest of my drawing. I'm just going to select the layer, change it from best fit to LUTs. And that's how you use the best fit a curve command in Microsurvey CAD.